Hello guys, today I want to show you how to make this quick deploy handheld strap from Paracord. And as you can see here, this is my remora, and I have this quick deploy, so when you pull one side out and then it will get loose for all this knot here. This is the basic one that I made for this remora, but I want to make the improved one for my Rust 12. I need more bulky one, so to save some times I already make this paracord, just measure how long it wants to be in the handheld. Okay, so you have to measure that not from the end of here, but usually it will only end here, because when you wrap it, it will do it like this, so you don't want to damage this edge here. You can see, so maybe it will be only, you can only measure from here to here. So this is what I do, and just measure this length to this length, and then make about 8 or 10 times folding, just a regular folding of the length. So before do it, this is make us able to carry a longer paracord than the standard one like this. But I forgot to mention that I made this video for all my friends in Facebook group that called Indonesia ADC group. So I hope you guys enjoy this one here, and bear with me with the English. Okay, this is I will upload it in YouTube and can be seen worldwide, so have to use English for it. Okay, now back to the paracord. Here I just make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7. So I will fold it 7 times and then just wrap it around like this. You can take like 2 or for the core, so you need 2 of it. So when you pull this one out, it will disengage everything. So there is 7, so you have 5 folding ones. So you can use this one here, and then you can lose this end, these 2 ends here. So you want the end here to wrap to this end here. From this end you start from this end, and then you want to stop this end wrapping around this core. Okay, I won't cut this video, I don't have the time for it, so bear with me with it. Okay, so just make a regular wrapping like this. Don't too tight, or you can make it very tight. It's all depend on you. Okay, make all the way to the end. So this is, I guess, will be quite long videos, so bear with me for it. Okay, try to wrap it as fast as I can. So remember, you have to get 2 folding here for the core of the quick release core. So try to wrap it as fast as I can. So this one here will be the second core for the knot. It will make the handheld more bulky and more comfortable to grip. This is the second, I think the second upgrade that I make before. Before it I make this one as the core, so I think it will be better for me to do double core for it. And in the way you will know what I mean for the core itself. So see, I have still a lot of paracord here. So this is the end of the second core. So I have to do a cut video. So this is part 2. So after you make this, you secure it this, then you pass it through the loop, so you secure this one, and then remember that you loosen the 2 folded paracord here. Okay, now you have to make it longer, because when you wave it around here, this one sometimes will be wavy and then it will be shortened, and then at the end it will be the same length with this end here. So you have to make it quite longer, maybe 1 finger longer, like this. And then you want this end, the longer end, this longer end is become the beginning end. So you can put anywhere here, and like this, under, over, this one will be the core, and then over and under. This one will be the second core. Okay, then under again, over, just making a loop at the core here. So the first and the second loop is the most trickiest one. So over and then under the core, have to position it very straight up, and then over, then under, just making a loop. Okay, so you can see it's already start to form nice knotting there. You see this loop? Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, let me continue it, and then okay, one more for you guys to see. Under, and over, take the core, under the core, just making a loop through the core. Okay, this one here. Okay, I will continue this, and then we'll continue later at the end. Okay, so we have at the end of the row, so I have excess of this length. Also, you remember that we have the loop, this loop, you just run over the very end of this loop that you're using to wave, and run it through the loop, and then pull it tight here, and then you have it, you secure it. So what are you do with the excess of this paracord. It is I don't want to waste any paracord, or you can just cut here, and then you can melt it, and then you have it. But I prefer to keep the excess of the paracord, and then you can do wrapping around, okay, wrapping around all over it, and then you can tuck this end under it, so you don't waste any paracord of all. It's the same for the one that you use here, that it is your deploying string. So you just wrap it around, and then this end here, tuck it under there. So there you have it. Finish. Beautiful quick deploy paracord. So if you want to deploy it, you just take open this end over here, take the paracord out of the loop, and then you pull the string over here, and then you have it. All will disengage soon. So guys, if you like, comment, critics, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hoping you guys the best, and hope this video can be inspiration for you all. God bless. Bye bye.